So I'm in the air for quite a few scenes, using rope and silks, and the idea is that the silks is there, it's all supporting the story. I didn't start doing it until I was 28, 29. I finished drama school, and I needed to keep fit, and I started doing just a general aerial class at Millennium State Circus, which is based in Cardiff, and I loved it. It was very, very difficult, not something I had any natural ability at, and that's really exciting as well, not to have any expectation of being good at something.
The big mistake that can be made, and which a lot of young, well, all actors make, is they feel they have to be very loud. And it's trying to get through to them that projection is not about volume, it's about connection with the text, of really making the text into living language, so that the words are clear, so that they have a need for the words. And then it will move through space. You have to maintain the energy. The energy is important, but not being very, very loud.
I've absolutely loved going into the schools. The fact that we've gone in with a really difficult Shakespeare, I think. The histories are quite tricky, and Henry VI isn't particularly done very much, and they have just got it. They have understood it, and there's a scene that we do, myself and York, we go through the family tree, which is a bit of a history lesson, could be seen like that, and they were so engaged. They wanted to be the parts of the family tree, they wanted to be the characters, and they got it, they understood it, and for me that was really reassuring that they understood it, so then we can then go in front of an audience knowing how clear we're being.
All female is great. Really supportive and really, really generous.
It is not trying to make everybody sound like men, but to help women tap into the heavier male side of their personality, which we all have.
The Kingmaker, he's a soldier, a politician, really quiet on the sidelines, but has power, parts that I don't think I've ever had the chance to play before.